Hey, what's up, you guys? Good evening. Hope you're all doing well. There is a lot of new information coming from the Walt Disney World Resort right now, from the cast member previews to proposed rest areas. So let's head on in and check out all of the brand new information. But before we begin with our Walt Disney World news, be sure to hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon right next to it so you never miss an upload from me. Give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. And now, without further ado, we can begin. First and foremost, there are proposed rest areas for the Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom. Hollywood Studios and Epcot are most likely to have them as well, but I haven't heard anything from those parks, but I will keep you guys informed if that should change. In the Magic Kingdom, they will have them at the Tomorrowland Terrace in Tomorrowland, Golden Oak Outpost in Frontierland, and Pete's Silly Sideshow in Fantasyland. In these spaces, only can guests remove their mask to take a breathing break. Tables will be spaced 10 feet apart to accommodate social distancing. In Animal Kingdom, they will have them at Up Country Landing in Asia. It's right across from Up, A Great Bird Adventure, and the Pete Safari in Discovery Island. Do keep in mind that face masks will be strictly enforced everywhere outside of these specific zones. Guests not wearing the required face mask will be asked to either put one on or leave. Throughout the park, a safety spiel will be played continuously to remind guests to wear their masks and wash their hands frequently. At the date of this recording, Monday, July 6th, tomorrow on Tuesday, July 7th, there is a cast member preview day, and later on in the week, on July 9th, there is the annual pass holder preview day, which I actually got a booking for, so that is very exciting. I cannot wait for the day to return to Walt Disney World. Now, on the regular days they have for everybody else, I unfortunately got it for the 25th of July instead of the 11th like I wanted. It was due to a glitch in the system, as you know, the Pink Castle of Doom problems. But regardless of that, I'm very happy that I still got a date and time to go into the parks. Here are the items that you should be bringing to the pass holder event. You're going to need a valid annual pass and a government-issued photo ID for each registered pass holder, one copy of your confirmation page, face coverings are required for all guests 2 and up, and you may check in at the main entrance of the Magic Kingdom Park at any time during park operating hours. Please have your ID and valid pass ready. Here's some more important information about the event. Restaurants, attractions, experiences, and other offerings may be modified and will be limited in capacity and subject to limited availability or closure based on the direction from health experts and government officials to promote social distancing and other safety reasons. Face coverings will be required for all guests, ages 2 and up, and cast members. Temperature screenings are required. Valid, activated, eligible Walt Disney World annual pass and photo ID are required for check-in at each pass holder and pass holder guest. Registered pass holders may experience wait times for popular attractions during this event. If you are staying at a Walt Disney World Resort hotel, Disney transportation will not be available for this limited event. You will need to provide your own transportation to the theme park parking lot. Tram service will not be available from the guest parking lot to the main entrance of the theme park. For the Magic Kingdom Park, there will be no tram service from the parking lot to the Transportation and Ticket Center, but the monorail and ferry boats will be available from the Transportation and Ticket Center to the main entrance of the park. Speaking of monorail, they have placed dividers between the cars, and this was a concern I had before, so it's great to see that they are implementing safety to the transportation system. Although, I haven't heard anything for the ferry boat. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. Speaking of transport, the Skyliner gondolas are officially back up on the cables. I cannot wait to go on the Skyliner once again, as it was my favorite way to get across the various Disney parks. I would take it from Epcot to Hollywood and Hollywood back to Epcot. Now, I heard for the Skyliner that they're going to be putting in one party at a time to promote social distancing, which is a fantastic idea. Over to Disney Springs. The Hangar Bar has reopened again. It was closed for some time. I'm not sure why it closed, but it's open again. Uniqlo in Disney Springs has closed back down again. It did reopen before, so I'm not sure why they closed it again, but I will be keeping an eye out to see when they are reopening again. Splitsville Bowling is also reopening on Friday, July 10th. I hope you Splash Mountain fans were able to get your hands on made-in-art, on-demand goods these past few weeks at Disney Springs, because the items themed to the attraction have been discontinued on the digital printing service after the announcement of its retheming to Princess and the Frog. Same goes for plushies of the various characters from Splash Mountain, as Disney Store's website does not have any Splash Mountain merchandise available upon typing it in. Now, sketches are still available at the Art of Disney store in Disney Springs, but that could go away very soon as well. Hamilton has arrived on Disney Plus, and if you haven't seen it already, pause this video, watch it, and then come back to this video. It was such a breathtaking performance. I became a huge fan of the Broadway back in 2015 when it first released, then, non-stop, pun not intended, listened to the soundtrack leading up to July 3rd, then proceeded to watch the Broadway and Disney Plus, and just yesterday, I rewatched it again. This was the show that got me into theater and Broadway and taught me so much about American history. Every single performer for Hamilton is absolutely incredible. Please go and watch it if you haven't already. It's amazing. Finally, Disney's Boardwalk Resort has reopened, and there is a giant blue wall around the Grand Floridian for the NBA players. It is known as the Bubble so far, and it is giving them a place to socially distance. I wonder if they're going to start playing basketball again, though. And that wraps up all of the Walt Disney World news that we have for today. With all of the new changes happening at the parks, I honestly cannot wait to see everything that's going to happen right now and in the future. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of all of the things happening. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And for those who aren't subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit the red subscribe button down below alongside the bell icon so you never miss an upload from me. Give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember to be kind, stay humble, and God bless. I love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you all real soon.